What is the Magna Carta? The Magna Carta is one of the most important legal documents in history, often described as the foundation of modern democracy and the rule of law. Signed in England in the year 1215, the Magna Carta was not originally intended to create democracy as we know it today. Instead, it was a peace agreement forced upon King John of England by a group of rebellious barons who were tired of his heavy taxes, military failures, and abuse of royal power. At the time, King John ruled with almost absolute authority. He could imprison people, seize land, and raise taxes without explanation. This growing injustice pushed the barons to rebel, eventually confronting the king at a place called Runnymede, near the River Thames. There, under intense pressure, King John agreed to seal the Magna Carta, a document that placed limits on his power for the first time in English history. The Magna Carta contained 63 clauses, many of which dealt with feudal rights and local disputes. However, several key principles made it revolutionary. One of the most famous ideas was that the king himself was not above the law. The document stated that no free person could be imprisoned, punished, or stripped of their rights without a lawful judgment by their equals or by the law of the land. This idea later evolved into what we now call due process. Although the Magna Carta was quickly ignored by King John and annulled by the Pope, it did not disappear. Over the centuries, it was reissued, revised, and gradually transformed into a powerful symbol of liberty. Its principles influenced the English legal system, the development of Parliament, and later, major documents such as the United States Constitution, the Bill of Rights, and even the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Today, the Magna Carta represents the idea that power must have limits, that laws should protect people from tyranny, and that justice should apply to everyone, including rulers. While medieval in origin, its legacy continues to shape modern legal systems around the world. The Magna Carta reminds us that freedom is rarely given willingly. It is often demanded, negotiated, and defended across generations.